in order to get these off, T20 screw there, this panel will come off, screws along the bottom, just crosshead like popper screws. I think the rest is on poppers, but we'll find out. So we've got that speaker panel off. Like I said, it's a T20 Torx on the side there. We'll get that off. Then these little clips at the bottom, 3 of them, they come apart like so. And then with this panel off, you can get your finger behind here, pull that cover off, and then there are 2 T40s that need to be undone. Get in there with Allen key, screwdriver, whatever you got, there's plenty of room. And now we're pretty much free. So I removed this, so you've got wiring harnesses, one at the bottom here for the courtesy light, one up here for the seat, memory seat switches and stuff, and then I've undone this one here, which is to window switch. Window switch is quite easy to get undone. 2 T20, I think, Torx screws in there. Pop straight out. Obviously, depending what spec your Merc is, whether it's a Vito or Viano, Van, or whatever the fuck they call them, it might be a little bit different. I didn't bother undoing the handle cable because it seemed pointless. But yeah, we'll get that new switch in, and then it's a reverse of everything we just done.